Hi, my name is Chetan Singh and I am on the English speaking journey. I took the challenge of 30 days to speak in front of the camera every day. So, therefore, I am recording this video. And today I choose the topic of choices. You know, you are the person of your choice. It's not like that your condition is bad and your fortune is not good, that's why you are in that miserable state. You are in your miserable state because your choices were not correct in previous time. So everything whatever you do in life, it always depend on your choice, whether you want to choose the right side or wrong side. It's all about you, about your choices. Everyone wants to be successful in life, everyone wants to do something big in life, but how many people wants to choose the right thing for them? Today I had the morning shift, so I went to my workplace in early morning. And usually I record the video in the morning, and because I usually have afternoon shift at my workplace, but today I had to go early at my workplace in the morning. So now I just came from my workplace and now I'm recording this video because I do not want to break my consistency. So it was my choice whether to just sleep and make an excuse that I am tired, so I can't record the video or I can't speak in English in front of the camera. So it was my choice. It depends on me whether I want to choose the right thing for me or wrong thing. If I would choose sleep instead of recording the video or doing what I am supposed to do, maybe I would feel intense regret in the early morning when I'll wake up next day. So do not be a person who feel regrets after leaving the things on next days. So many people want to wake up early in the morning as well. They set the alarm every day on their mobile phone, but what happens when morning alarms ring and it tells you kind of to wake up? You always snooze the alarm and you just sleep, and your mind just make the excuse that after 5 minutes or 10 minutes I'll wake up, but you end up waking up at 8 a.m. It happens with everyone, it happens with me as well. Lots of time it happens, but it's you who can curb this emotion, who can choose the right thing for you, for yourself. Your choices make you the person which you want to become. So take right choices every time, and you will see the incredible change in your life, because action speaks louder than word. At the moment when you are feeling like not doing the certain task which you are supposed to do, at at that moment if you can uh, make the right choice, and if you can just do that work instead of feeling uh, not doing about that thing, you will definitely become a better person one day, because every small efforts, every small sacrifice gives you pay back at the end of the time. So you are the person of your choice. Keep remember this thing in your mind and always make good choices. And uh, I'm not saying that you have to every time fight with yourself. It's not like that. If you are not feeling like doing anything, just try to tell yourself, okay, I'll not do it for full task, I'll just do it 50% or 70%. In that way you can kind of deal with your emotions, and you will be surprised to know that once you make a decision to do something, then you will end up completing that task. So try to manipulate your mind in that way, and make right choices in life, That's how you become a better version of yourself. And I hope that this video helped you, and I also helped myself today to not to skipping this day without speaking. And I hope that like me, you will also make right choice at the right time, and you will become a better version of yourself by making good choices in life. Thanks for your time. Bye.